Hey friends, if you encounter event ID 642 ESENT error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now I have a script for you. This script has been mentioned in the description section of the video. Copy this script, then open Notepad and copy this script to Notepad. Okay, delete everything in Notepad, copy this script here. Then click on File, click on Save All, select a good location. But first change the Save As type to All Files and let us name it, what do we say, fix.bat. You can name it anything, but the extension should be .bat, okay? And then click on Save and close this and then go to Desktop. And we have this file here. Double click on it and it will run a few commands. Press any key to continue and it will fix the problem. All you need to do after that is right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.